Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying power. This is the most common failure. Use a multimeter to check battery voltage and adapter output. You want steady voltage, not drops. Once done, remove the battery door and photograph terminal wiring so you can restore orientation. If screws are stuck, apply steady pressure and the correct driver. Avoid stripping. You'll also note water damage or corrosion now, because that determines whether you clean contacts or replace the module. Now you open the casing and inspect the printed circuit board and mechanical parts. You should clean corroded contacts with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Corrosion impedes signals. Next, test the motor and solenoid directly with the specified voltage. This verifies mechanical function versus controller failure. If gears are stripped, replace the gear pack. If connectors are loose, reseat or solder them. Keep track of small springs and pins, and make incremental tests as you reassemble. Finish by reassembling the lock carefully and reinstalling power. Make sure screws are snug but not over-torqued, because stripped threads cause future failure. Once powered, run the programming sequence or factory reset, then enroll one code and test lock/unlock cycles at least 5 times to confirm reliability. If it still fails, disconnect power and try a known good battery or a replacement controller module to isolate whether the issue is power, electronics, or mechanics. This swap often identifies the faulty subsystem quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.